In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or remove an indicator in Tradingview Mobile. If you are new to the app or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. Start by opening the Tradingview app on your phone and heading straight to your chart. Make sure you are on the chart screen for the symbol you want to work with, since indicators are applied per chart. Once you are there, look for the indicator's name on the chart itself. This is often called the legend and might appear near the top or just under the symbol, showing labels like EMA, RSI, or whatever you've added. If your screen looks busy or the labels aren't visible, try tapping once on the chart to reveal the overlay, so you can clearly see the indicator names. To access the controls for a specific indicator, tap directly on its name on the chart. That single tap opens a floating menu right where you need it, so you don't have to dig through extra screens. In this menu, you'll see 3 essential icons: a gear for settings, a trash can to remove, and an eye to hide or show the indicator. If you want to modify how the indicator behaves or looks, tap the gear icon. Here, you can change inputs such as length or source, depending on the indicator, and adjust the styling like color and line thickness. As you tweak these settings, keep an eye on the chart to see how the changes affect your view. This is especially helpful when fine-tuning things like moving average lengths or making lines more visible against your chart background. When you are happy with the adjustments, confirm to save and return to your chart. If you no longer need the indicator, tap the trash can icon. This instantly removes it from your chart. Use this when you are sure you are done with it, since removal is immediate and clears it from view. If you just want a cleaner chart temporarily, tap the eye icon to hide the indicator without deleting it. This is great for quick comparisons or reducing clutter while you analyze price action. Tap the eye again anytime to bring the indicator back exactly as it was. With all your settings preserved, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.